Hello there and welcome to my video about 3 investment opportunities that I think will be of interest to you. First off, we will be talking about BranchOutFoods. Now, what on earth is this company? In an age of where people are becoming more health conscious about what they put in their mouth, but not their arms obviously, that's fine. No one cares what they put in their arms. Anyway, the fact that it's, if I remember correctly, the annual growth of health related food was like 8%. And the fact that this is a premium freeze-dried fruit snack. And these are one of the more popular products. It's the pineapple and the banana. And they also have some vegetables. And one of the main customers are Walmart, believe it or not. It's a very nice company. It's growing tremendously fast. It has a proven drying technology that preserves the nutrients and the taste of the product. Because apparently when you freeze dry food or freeze food, it loses some of the nutrients. But if you dry it, it does not, which is interesting. And they have partnerships with Walmart, and it seems like I've written Costco. It's growing tremendously fast. Let's go and check how fast it is actually growing. By the end of 2023, it had a revenue of $2.8 million. By September 2024, which is 9 months later, it had grown to 6.4 million, which is well above 100% increase after just 9 months. And it's going to be very interesting now with the coming 4th quarter results. So this is a company that I highly encourage you to research. It's still not too expensive. I still quite much like it. However, it was a little bit cheaper when I was going to buy it, but then it just went up to the moon, you know? Anyway, so now let's go to the second one. Well, hello then. And the second one will be LifeMD. It's a tremendous company. It's been growing like a plague since when I was going to buy it, which was back in January. It's grown tremendously, but I still think it has tremendous potential in the future. But obviously be aware that now it has gone up quite a bit from when I first found it, which was in 16th of January. With the fact that it's just gone up, it's highly likely that there will be a correction soon. It's active in all the 50 states in America. It's got a high margin over 85%. Almost profitable. Oh, pardon me, the gross margins are 89%. Pardon me. Provided tremendous service to this is an American company, a telehealth company offering direct consumer online healthcare services, which include prescription medication, virtual doctor constellations, wellness products, and they focus on chronic care management for both men and women. Oh my. And they even have cheat drugs like Ozempic that benefit people that are obese and too lazy or busy to lose weight. It's not like there's a free solution like fasting, but you know, that's too boring. We need that quick solution without actually having to put in the works. It's a tremendous company. What I like about these companies that I'm showcasing to you is that they have an actual value. They provide a value to people, to society, that is actually beneficial to customer and society at large. One person is sick, that's costing way too much for both the government and the family members. Because imagine if most people could get like the health care that they need. And what else? Obviously these are also just from the company's website. 1 in 3 Americans don't have a primary care doctor, and waiting times usually persist of over 20 days. Whereas with LifeMD, it's usually 2 hours, which is very nice. Obviously, I'm a Norwegian, so I don't really know about your issues, but personally, from my experience, the few times I've gone to the doctor, it's usually a couple of days wait. So it would be nice. It must be nice. And the fact that it's growing tremendously, let's look at in 2023, at the end of the year, they had made $152 million. And by 9 months later, that had increased to $193 million, a 42%. And the fact that it provides tremendous value and trust me, like people are not going, in my opinion, most people are not going to become healthier based upon all the things they put in the food and the fact that people are mostly sitting inside nowadays. I think more and more people are going to be sick, so the fact that there are places that can provide quicker service would provide an investment opportunity. But bear in mind, I personally think it's a little bit expensive at the current moment, but if you have a very long duration for your investment thesis, then I would look into it. But obviously I have not bought it, and I am still angry that I didn't buy it. But you know, there's that. Now over to the third and last one. And with the final company for today, it will be Cybin Inc, which is a tremendous company. Well, obviously it's not profitable yet, but it has tremendous opportunity for the future, with it being a psychedelic-based therapeutic company, which, you know, going retro because, you know, these things have been on Earth for thousands of years. Well, obviously they are fine-tuning it a little bit and making it more potent, and it seems to have tremendous possibilities here. They've recently tested it on people with major depressive disorder, MDD, on 550 patients throughout the US and EU, and it's been shown that most of them, it has tremendous benefits for all of them, and it's shown also 71 remission rate, and I think it worked on 100% of them, but some phase 2 shows 71% remission rate, and seems like this company is off to a great start. Everyone's getting sicker and sicker mentally and physically, and have these companies throughout the video provide healthy snacks with BranchOutFoods, 2 with LifeMD, which is benefiting people that want, what is it called? Those without medical care, and those who want to avoid those long times to get to a doctor when you can just digital alternative, much better. So this company, Cybin Inc, you have tremendous possibilities for the future. Obviously it's not profitable, so unless you have a long wait time, unless you can wait like a year or 5 years, then you should definitely stay away. But I'm very interested in this one due to it actually having a product that works and can, I wouldn't say cure, but could tremendously improve the lives of people with depression, which would imagine how many, probably like tens of millions of people, if not hundreds of millions of people with depression. Imagine the market company could have, and it would actually be an investment in a company that actually makes the world a better place rather than a weapons company. Hope you've had a tremendous time with this. Obviously do a lot of research before you buy any of these. These are just what I found interesting in February 2025. So I hope this has been enjoyable. Take care. Peace.